If you use Xender to send files between your iPhone and an Android phone, you'll notice that most of the video footage or video files won't show on your gallery app, which is the Photos app. I have 3 videos I just sent from an Android to my iPhone, and I can't see those videos on my gallery. So if you want to make this video show up on your gallery on your iPhone, which is the Photo app on iPhone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Go to your Files app and look for the video. We're going to go to Browse, click on my iPhone, click on Xender folder, click on Other, and enter Videos. You're going to see the 3 exact footage which I shared from an Android phone. This is it right here. So to make it show on your Photos app, what you have to do is to click and hold on it, click on Share, and click on Save Video. Now when you go back to your Photo app, you're going to see the video right here. So that's simply how to make your video show on your Photos app. I hope you find this video helpful. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.